Hello guys, this is continuation because I have a ringtone, or not ringtone, I have alarm for my son. I need to get him from school. So this is another item from that. This is part 2. And this is 6 to 7 years old Sonic. £2 only. I'll give it to somebody because he loves Sonic. Yeah, for £2. How much is it supposedly? There are $3.50, not so much. Not so much a bargain. And then next is this one. I grabbed some towel. We have many towels here, but I just grabbed it. And this is actually very cheap, guys. $3.50. Look at that. Before, the towel that I have here is like from Asta, and it's like what will happen to my clothes. It's like £11. I purchased it. It's really like super size, or like really big. But this one, it's enough, and just $3.50. Yeah, it's for my son also, or for my hair when I'm trying to dry it. Yeah, very cheap. And then this cotton. This is like for like spray for the house. Yeah, it's really good, and it's just $4.50. Yeah, I always purchase this because it's good smell. I like it. Sometimes I buy the one that is like £1 or something. Like I forgot how you call it. Oh, this one is from Home Run. Then I just put all the receipt there. And next, we're almost done. Oh, I purchased this. Actually, I forgot what I purchased. But mostly, if you notice, it's really for my son, guys. It's because I love to shop in Zara for my clothes. And for my son, it's Primark. Because in Zara, they don't have that much choices. So this one is £3 from $5.50. Yeah, look, 7 to 8 years old. So I bought it so advanced. Maybe I give it to somebody. I have even here another Pokemon. It's yellow. I'll give it to someone. This is £6. Supposedly this is £11. It's 7 to 8 also. Okay, I should not buy it. Yeah, because I feel like I have this one already, or Sonic. I forgot. But it's just sale, guys. That's why I purchased it, because of the sale. Yeah, that one. And then next, still for my son. Yeah, so this one is £6 also from £11. Super Mario. I'll give it to my friend son because he likes Super Mario. And this is 7 to 8 and he's 7. So this is good for him. I'll give it to him. And I purchased socks. I always need the socks. I want the clean socks all the time. Anyway, this is just $2.50, so it's not that expensive. Oh yeah, it's so cute. So anyway, yeah, I purchased most of my clothes from Zara, but I will wait for the sale. Like we have like near Black Friday, yeah. So Black Friday, I'm sure they will have so many sale. Oh, okay, they will have so many sale. So I'm sure I will purchase many this time. And next is this one. This is for another branch. This is just £1, guys, from £3. I'll give it to my friend kid. It's very inexpensive. But anyway, the full price of this is just £3. So it's really cheap. Next is this. I have 2 of this already. And then I bought another 2. It's because during summer, it's very easy. Like there's a built-in bra. so it's very easy. And I purchased it before £8 full price, but this time it's £4 half price, so it's better this time to purchase it. So comfy. Is it small? Yes, both small. It's really comfy, guys. You don't need to wear bra. The next is this sandal. You know, this sandal, I think I purchased already something like this. I'm not so sure. I will check in my storage. This is £3, but originally, look, £3. Originally, this is £15, and I think the one that I purchased is £15, and now it's £3. Imagine. But I always keep something like this for emergency, you know, because for shoes, I don't want to buy expensive shoes because I go like anywhere, walking in the mountain or whatsoever. I don't care, because if it's expensive, I will care so much, you know. So I preferred, and then with my bag also, I don't like to buy like really expensive because I'll just drop it anywhere, you know. So anyway, let's go. This one is from B&M. I'll put it in the glass store. How much is this? There's no price, but it's like maybe £2, £2.50. I got. Then this one, there's no price. My son maybe get all the price already. So this is for Christmas, and then here's a drink for you. Dear Santa, dear Santa. So we'll just put it something for Santa. Carrots, I didn't know he needs carrots also. Look, but it's not so expensive, guys, from B&M. This one from B&M. Oh, this one, yeah, I need to really put the Christmas tree. I forgot the price because my son removed all the price. This one is from Matalan. Look, my son removed it. Yeah, oh, this is so cute. Why? It's because I have a friend, and then the child is Y, start with letter Y, so I'll give it to him. This is nice. I cannot find for my son. And then I purchased this in Home Bargains, and then I purchased this in B&M, and I don't know which one I will use it for my Christmas tree. My Christmas tree, I have like mostly blue, and I also have like red color. So maybe last year I used like blue theme, but maybe this time this one, or silver. I mean gold also, because I have also gold. So I just grabbed one each, and I will think finally what color, because my son likes to, he said he likes the red one. But let's see, maybe this time this goldy Christmas tree. And this one in B&M, because you know it's cold. It's cold now. And then I grabbed this. Oh, this is in Wilko. I forgot. I've been in Wilko. And then this one also from B&M. So Wilko also, they have cheap items. Where's the other one? Okay, I think I have two of this. It's missing because my son is roaming around here. And then this one is from Donnell. My son play with it, guys, because it's been here like for many days. So yeah, he will touch it, but he will not unbox it or open it. Just remove, sometimes tag, sometimes cut, but this time he didn't cut anything. So this one is from Donnell. This is from B&M. This is 100 sticker tags. So I need to wrap all the gifts now, because you know sometimes I wrap gifts last minute and it's like so ugly. So this time I try to be ready, hopefully. And then B&M, and then this one is how much? Oh, this one at least I have price, £4. This one for my son actually. Like it. This one last year I grabbed it. So he will put it for in his room, I guess. So cute. Yeah. And then this one is like creative papers. This is how it looks. Yeah. Not find the price also. And then batteries for the, oh, let me try that. I got stuck with so much things already. We'll try it. And then I have here, guys, I need to go to get my son, so I'll just do it fast. This one, tape for the wrapping gifts. This one for my son, for the teeth, of course, toothbrush. And this one, my son asked me for a torch. So this is just like £1 or 79 pence. For the car, then this happy birthday, I'll just keep it because sometimes they don't have. And then another battery. Yeah, I grabbed other battery for the Christmas lights like that. And this is the last. Spot Zapper. Is that? Patches. I don't know if it's effective, but I'll just try it. I hope I will use it because sometimes I just purchase and I will not use it. So anyway, guys, that's the end of my haul. I'm so sorry. It's so messy haul. It's because I have to go. So bye bye, guys. Thank you for watching. If you didn't subscribe yet to my channel, please do subscribe and click the like. Bye, guys. Bye. I need to go now.